Hello, grade 8 students, and welcome to a new English lesson. Today's lesson will be about writing strategies. Can you answer the following riddle? During which month do people sleep the least? Can you think of the answer? Good. During February. Why? Because there are fewer nights in February. Let's have a look at today's objectives. After studying this lesson, you will be able to compose paragraphs following the correct writing strategies. Write sentences using correct punctuation marks. Steps of writing. To write a good piece of writing, you need to follow some steps. Let's have a look at this picture, which shows the steps of writing. The first step is the pre-writing step. In this step, you have to decide which topic you are going to write about. In this step, you have to think of as many ideas as you can. The second step is drafting. In drafting, you begin writing down your ideas. Write down all the ideas that come to your mind. The third step is revision, and you should revise to make your writing better. The next step is editing, and in this step you check and make sure that there aren't any grammatical, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. The final step is publication, and this step shows that your writing is quite perfect and is ready to be read. Writing tips. Let's discuss some tips that will help you to write a good paragraph. Decide what the main topic of the paragraph is going to be. Brainstorm ideas. Write down information and ideas relating to that topic. Arrange your ideas in a logical order. This will make your paragraph more coherent and easier to read. In each paragraph, write the topic sentence, supporting ideas, and a concluding sentence. A topic sentence is a sentence that summarizes the main idea of a paragraph. Supporting ideas. Try to write clear, simple sentences that express exactly what you want to say. Concluding sentence. A good concluding sentence will reinforce the idea outlined in your topic sentence. The final step is to review your paragraph. Check the spelling and punctuation marks. Let's have a look at this picture. This picture summarizes all the steps of writing. If we start with the pre-write stage, in this stage you must think about your topic. The next step is draft. You have to write your ideas down. Then revise, make your writing better. Then edit to make it correct, to check for grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, punctuation mistakes. The final step is to publish it. In this slide, we will revise some punctuation marks. Full stop. It is used at the end of a sentence. For example, I like English. Question mark. It is used at the end of an interrogative sentence to form a question. Where do you live? Comma. Use commas between words in a series. For example, I bought tea, milk, sugar, and oil. Exclamation mark. It is used to show shock, surprise, or anger. What a nice car. The pronoun I. It is always written in a capital letter. Excuse me, can I borrow your pen? Now let's have some practice. Can you find the mistakes in the following sentences? Stop the video, find the answer, then come back after 5 minutes. You can start now. Welcome back, my dear students. Let's check your answers. What is the mistake in the first sentence? Excellent. Ahmed. What's the mistake in the second sentence? London. Yes, it should be written in a capital letter. Also, we have another mistake. We should end the sentence with a full stop. Excellent. How many mistakes do we have in the sentence number 3? 3 mistakes. Excellent. I We shouldn't use any article here. Doha. Excellent. This building is built in 1995. What is the mistake here? Yes, is. Do you like fish? Yes, we should use a question mark here. We study English, Arabic, science, and math at school. Yes, we should use commas between English and Arabic, between Arabic and science. Good. Don't forget to use linking words and phrases if you want to make your topic good. To list points, we can use firstly, first of all, to begin with, secondly, also, in addition, what's more, finally, last, etc. To express contrast, we can use however, on the one hand, on the other hand, etc. We can use linking words or phrases to join your ideas. For example, time sequences, when, while, as, before, after that, after a while, till, until, during, later, soon, then, at that moment, in the beginning, finally, in the end, by the time, immediately, to show contrast, but, however, result and consequences, so that, such that, so for this reason, as a result, to show cause or reason, we can use because. Now let's have some practice. Please stop the video and try to choose the correct answer. You have 5 minutes, start from now. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's check your answers. It was raining, however. Excellent. Number 2, space, I was reading a book, my father called me. While, good. I didn't finish my homework, space, I hadn't enough time. Because, we will leave space, we are ready. As soon as, good. The last one, although I was tired, I managed to finish my homework. In this slide, we are going to learn about a good method you can follow when writing your paragraph. It's called the 4-square method. Let me explain something about this method to you. It's a good way to help you plan and organize your ideas. We can use this method with all types of writing, narrative, persuasive, and descriptive. We organize our ideas in 4 squares. Let's now have some practice on how to apply this method. Let's read together the following writing task. Think about an interesting celebration event festival that takes place in your country and write a description of it. Now, let's try the 4-square method and see how it works to write about the above topic. The first step is to write the title of our topic in the middle, Qatar Sports Day. Then, in the first square, we're going to write general information about the topic. In the second square, we're going to write about what people eat, watch, etc. In the third square, we're going to write what people do. Finally, we're going to write about our opinions. Let's move to the first square. General information. Like what? For example, every second Tuesday in February. It is celebrated all over the country. All men, women, and children take part in it. It lasts for 1 day. Let's move to the second square. What people eat, watch, etc. People wear sports clothes. People eat healthy food. People watch sports games. Let's move to square number 3. What people do. People take part in sports competitions. People do all kinds of sport. People take part in marathons. Finally, if you are going to write about your opinion, you can write, Qatar Sports Day is great fun for people of all ages. In my opinion, it is the best day of the year. Everyone in the country has a great time on Qatar Sports Day. Finally, my dear students, do the lesson's daily assignment on Microsoft Teams. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Till we meet again, goodbye.